And now it's clear that the events of May 9 to 10th were not a popular protest. And they were also not democratic dissent by any stretch of the imagination. This was violence as a strategy to gain political power. And this was, now it's clear, a nationwide insurrection by followers of Mr. Khan. Because as we are all aware by our long experience of watching democracies operate, democratic dissent is expressed peacefully. It's expressed through slogans, songs, placards, no matter how loud they are. But democratic dissent is not expressed through violence, arson, and wanton destruction. It is also now clear, 2 weeks down the line, that contrary to the perception that tens of thousands of Pakistanis came out, on May 9th and 10th, there was no outpouring of Pakistanis to protest Mr. Khan's arrest. Only a handful of supporters, including you saw in Islamabad, came out to the streets after his arrest. But who came out? In most major cities of the country, mobs of Mr. Khan's party's insurrectionists came out. And they went on a violent rampage across the country, from Karachi all the way up north to Peshawar. Mr. Khan's followers attacked, burnt, and destroyed defense installations, martyrs' memorials and statues, communication infrastructure, broadcast infrastructure, schools, ambulances, police vehicles, private cars, and motorcycles. And what is important to note, that in its breadth and strategic targeting, the insurrection on May 9th and 10th echoed and in some cases reproduced the terrorist assault on Pakistan during 2007 and 2016. No political party has burnt schools in Pakistan's history. No political party has burnt Radio Pakistan in Pakistan's history. No political party has dared burn ambulances on the roads. And of course, no political party, no matter how strong our differences with Pakistan Army's unconstitutional intervention into politics, no political party has attacked defense installations. That's our history. Similarly, the events of May 9 to 10th also mirrored what happened exactly 100 years ago in Munich, which was the 1923 beer hall push by Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party. The echoes are too strong to miss. And why these events happened this year is because 9 years ago, Mr. Khan and his followers got away with an armed attack on this very building we are sitting in. During the 2014 sit-in that they staged, they attacked and took over Pakistan Television headquarters. They took down the fence of Parliament House. They attacked the gate of President House and Prime Minister's House. And they assaulted hundreds of Islamabad policemen. But they got away with it. And I will tell you how they got away with it. And because they got away with it, they attacked this capital city again, and it was an armed assault in October 2016. And both times it was Pakistan Muslim League-N's government led by Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif in office. And the reason Mr. Khan and his followers got away with it that time is that democracy had recently been restored in the country. And precisely the arguments made today were made 9 years ago, that this is dissent, this is political opposition, they are misguided people, they should be allowed to have this leeway. So under the rubric of democratic dissent and protest, they got away with it. 9 years down.